Yo RVers, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. You say to yourself you really want a fifth wheel, but the vehicle in the driveway says no way. So you're gonna have to do a travel trailer. Well, guess what? I've got the answer for you. Behind me is the Brinkley Model I 280 travel trailer body, but lives like a fifth wheel. Let's check it out. Let's get into some of the exterior features again on this Brinkley Model I 280. You're gonna have items, for example, like the 4-point power stabilizing system, 2 hot-cold showers, 1 on each side. But you're gonna find throughout the whole video, there's a lot of beautiful features on this thing that's gonna make your camping life very rich. For example, their service center. Everything is color-coded, labeled, conveniently in one spot for all your hookup stuff. And man, in my mind, that is a big, big bonus. You're gonna have 2 opposing slides, and you'll see more when we get inside, but those big, deep slides give us a lot of floor space. Onto the back side, we're gonna be met with a exterior ladder to be able to get up on the roof, do some of your servicing items. Definitely gonna catch a branch maybe once in a while, so you wanna get up there and take care of that. At the top, you can see pre-wire for a backup camera. In case you get into some of those areas that your backup person isn't available, or maybe just a little too much, you can get that installed. And of course, those with that like to take maybe extra bikes or firewood, things like that. I love the fact that we have a extra receiver here just to put some of those big storage items. And last but not least, it's my favorite part, everybody. Patio time is phenomenal with this. We have a awning here on the slide out to give us some awesome coverage that we don't lose from this deep slide, as well as your standard awning here on the main wall slide. So we're gonna literally have this whole length of this camper under an awning for extreme patio time. Coming inside this beautiful 280 Model I by Brinkley, we are instantly greeted with a spacious home-like kitchen with a beautiful, elegant feel. So this kitchen has tons of space. Look at all those lower cabinets met with the upper cabinets. You're gonna have tons of storage to be able to throw everything that you wanna take with you for any occasion, for any reason. Check out all that counter space. Got plenty of room for a coffee pot, air fryer, and then some. Big rectangular sink matched with a high-rise faucet to clean all those big pots and pans that are gonna be on that 3-burner residential-like stovetop for all your cooking. And that's matched with a big, wide microwave at the top. And nestled into the corner is a huge pantry that you're gonna stow a lot of stuff with a couple nice pull-out drawers. Off to the side of the kitchen is your Furrion 12-volt, 12 cubic double door refrigerator with a nice size pull-out freezer at the bottom. The kitchen island is beautifully matched with the same countertop, lots of storage, pull-out drawer, and the best for last, the pull-out counter extension. And this is the best part of this back area, is this 4-position table dinette desk combo. Position 1, the breakfast nook. Position 2, the L-shaped desk. Position 3, the dining room table. Position 4, 2-person desk station. Step into the living area, you're instantly met with an at-home feel and a large entertainment center. In your living room, as you guys can see, a big L-shaped sofa, some storage overhead, but then that is facing a great entertainment center with a fireplace and again, more storage. And as you can see, the L-shaped sofa has some built-in recliners. Within the entertainment centers, you can see tons of storage, 50-inch smart TV, and a beautiful electric fireplace at the bottom. Stepping into the bathroom, we are instantly met with some beautiful residential features. Gonna have a nice vanity with a lot of counter space, bunch of drawers, plenty of storage, backlit vanity at the top. Shower is very big, multiple shower heads that's gonna feel like you're showering at home. And to round off, shelving with some towel hooks, and of course your toilet. And finally, the bedroom is beautiful. It is where functionality meets comfort. As you can see, plenty of storage at the top, a really comfortable memory foam king bed, tons of storage underneath, dual nightstands, and charging outlets. Flip up that king bed and you get a max space split level wardrobe with hanging closets, shelves, and a hamper. At the foot of the bed, you have some really awesome hooks for jackets and clothing, and a nice wardrobe space with hanging closet, shelving, and met with some drawers at the bottom. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give us a thumbs up. There's a lot to go over on the Brinkley. I'm sure there's things that we missed. Make sure you comment below. Love to get some answers. This beauty comes in about 33 foot total length. You will need a decent sized vehicle because it's sitting right now dry, 8,500 pounds, plus all that cargo items that you're gonna put in. And our tanks are about 55 fresh, 75 gray, and 40 black. But again, hit our website, beckleysrvs.com, for all those dimensions and specifications that you might wanna dive into. Again, hope you loved the video. Thumbs up. Show us some love, smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsite.